What's up, Industrial Automation World? I'm Mike. I'm the marketing manager for Scott Equipment Company. We're excited. Fender's back, and Ellis is going to tell us about their 78 series compact modular power supplies for your electrical cabinets. He's going to tell you about all their features and benefits. Take it away, Ellis.
All right. Hey, Mike. Thanks for the intro. Today, I want to talk you through the 78 series power supplies from Fender. Power supplies are not a new thing for us. We've had a number of these in our lineup for a while, but we've added a few recently. We've had a few that are selling in Europe, and we cleared them through the UL process so we can have them for the US market here. I think of these in my head as basically like a small, medium, large kind of sorta. So we've got these three ranges. I really like this little guy. Great use of space. This is a 24 volts DC out, and it's a little 12 watt power supply. So if you're just needing to drop in that little bit of 24 volt DC to run, maybe a small fan or a 7L panel light, for instance, if that's how you're wanting to do that, that is something you could use without taking up much space. This guy next to it here, we've got a 50 and 60 watt. The 50 watt is a 12 volt DC out, and the 60 watt is 24 volts DC out. So these guys here in kind of the middle are 50 and 60 watt. And then coming more towards the kind of traditional size and shape here, we've got a few options. So these three here are kind of in the 110 to 130 watt range on a 24 volts out. They are adjustable. You can be doing 24 up to about 28 volts output if you need to fine tune that a little bit. A few of them here have our little fuse holder, but you'll notice this one doesn't. This guy here is a nice addition to the line. It's got an all plastic housing instead of the metal here, and it's drops a feature or two for the sake of cost savings. So definitely one to consider if you're on a tight budget for a project. That is the 78-1A. The 78-1B here is just a slightly shorter off the DIN rail profile. So for a smaller case, that saves you about 1.5 inches of your height there. And then this guy over here, the 78-1D, this is 130 watts with the fuse, adjustable and everything. So this one here is pretty standard, something that everyone will be familiar with. And then over here, the big boy, 78-2E, this guy is 240 watts output. So a 10 amp power supply on 24 volts DC. All right, so that's a quick run through of the 78 series power supplies, something you may not have known that Fender has, but definitely want you to keep us in mind for your next bill of materials. Got some cost savers, some space savers, and your folks over at Scott Equipment can get you set up with them. Thanks.
Ellis, thanks for that great explanation of the 78 series power supplies from Fender. Super great products that we know our customers are going to love them. If you have any questions about Fender power supplies, contact your local Scott Equipment Company account manager or email marketing@scotteq.com, and we'll get the answers to you as soon as we can. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great industrial automation videos. Thanks.